In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI Studio Ghibli video with the new model Seedance 2.5. And this is the result of this tutorial. So to create that video, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI, that is a platform to create AI videos that you can try for just $1. So once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model we need to use the model Seedance 2.5. This because nowadays is the best AI model to create videos. Now in duration, we're going to use 12 seconds, but you could use up to 30 seconds if you want. Now in the aspect ratio, if you want the video to be horizontal, you could use 16:9, but I want the video to be vertical. So I'm going to use this aspect ratio. And now here, if you want, you could upload an image of reference, an audio of reference, or even a video. In my case, I'm going to create all with a prompt. So the prompt that I'm going to use is this one. And here, the important part is this one. This is the part where I say to Seedance 2.5 how I want the video to be. All this other part is where I describe what will happen in the scene, but the style is decided for this part of the prompt. So well, now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. The quality of the video, the animation, the sounds effects, and the music were really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and remember that the important part is this one. And well, after saying that, I recommend you to try the platform, and see you in the next video.